Matt from Mountain Man Motorworks here. I'm here with my good buddy Nick from Ranwin Park Nation, working on his car. He's got a 2016 Lincoln Navigator. We just replaced the struts in it up front, and now I got Steve working on the back. He's grinding me some surface mounts. We got to fix a rattle on the exhaust. I need to weld the heat shield back down to the crossover.
You know, when you're younger, you don't have any money for a lift like this, and you beat your butt. You know, you're healthy enough to crawl under and kneel on rocks and stuff. And then when you do have the money to afford this, you need it because you're so beat up from working on everything when you're younger.
Because my hand's right below.
Yeah, you should have gloves.
Ooh, TPI. TPIs and welders and mountain men.
Yeah.
I'll clean it off to you.
Yeah. Yeah, that should be fine. I can burn the rest off. Yeah, keep it
good?
nice.
Sure.
Yeah, right like that. Okay. Got it?
Yep.
All right, let's, what a good one. All right. All right, Steve, bring it over to this side. Right there. Give her a squeeze. All right, and that'll hold. It's crude, but it's okay. I need a wire brush.
Wire brush.
Wire brush. It's always important whenever you're welding on a newer vehicle to make sure that that battery is disconnected, because you can mess up your computer if you don't. This is perfect. All right. That is going to hold perfectly. Wow! The welder did pretty good. The old Lincoln welder. This welder is actually as old as I am almost. Good job. Oh, my buddy Nick will get you in for a closer shot here, show you the work done.
Oh, that's pretty good, Matt.
Thank you.
For someone that doesn't do it by trade, right?
Yeah.
No more squeak.
No more squeak.
Wow.
Well,
You gotta fire it up first.
You do have to fire it up. I mean,
Yep.
you can't say no more squeak yet.
Steve's got a Wilson thing going on.
Well.
Well.
Profile shot.
Yeah. Mountain man.